Okay, see how I already set all this hair up for success? That hair is going against. Remember, it was poking out when we first started. You had to get that so it's pushing back. So now we're gonna rinse it, and then I'll show you what to do with the neutralizer. Okay, see, this is already going back nice. Now when I put the neutralizer in, I'm gonna still push it back right here too. As opposed to being pokey and straight. We already restructured the curl. And we're gonna get that hair up. We want it up. We're gonna put it the way we want it to go. We want this we want this side to go this way and this side to go this way. This side to go up like a D. Put it up. Put it up. And now I'm going to take out this one, and I want this one too. I want to get the root out, but I want the ends. You understand? I want to get that root so it goes a little down, and it's going to go back and have its curl. Okay, now we're going to go to the other side. Because these go down, but you want them to go back. So we're redesigning the way we want that hair to come. There you go. Because the sides were not really connected. Now I just got to do this back too. Okay, now that is going to be perfect to leave longer. So we're going to set it for 5 minutes, and then we are going to rinse it all out. Good. Nice. And we're just doing body. That's all we're doing. It's definitely restructured. So nice.
Thanks for watching. Book an appointment today. You can also get my books or course. You can get the links on the description. Please comment and share this video. Email success@coach-kimmy.com.